On this wall hides a beautiful tool that I consider one of the most used ones in my shop. You know me, I guess you've already spotted my acetate screwdrivers, but the video title should suggest it is about this guy. Let's have a closer look. I've purchased a brand new one to film an unboxing, but opening blister packaging is nothing spectacular. I can't even show you something pretty. Have a look at this belt clip. This is nothing special. If I wanted to show you something pretty, I would make a video about this 10-meter long measuring tape. Stabila is better known for their spirit levels, like Rezo uses in his office remodel series. But they make also other things, like this beautiful measuring device meant for architects to show off at their client's house. I have it since the 90s and keep it in its original packaging. Now look at it. It is beautiful. And the simple mechanical design makes it a pleasure to use, and it is a joy to rewind every time. But to be honest, since lasers are cheap and way more accurate, this measuring tape became obsolete. But this measuring tape, this one, lives on my wall. Not in a bottom drawer, not hidden inside a box, on my wall. Conveniently positioned above my pencils to use it daily. But what makes it so special to me? Compared to generic ones, it is neither more compact nor lighter. It is missing a metal housing. Even the belt clip is better on the left one. It doesn't retract automatically as you would expect. You have to do it manually. All of this is irrelevant. There's the reason why I like to show it off in my builds. Use it as a prop in reviews. Try to incorporate how I make sure my cuts are parallel. And it all comes down to one key feature. The key feature of this measuring tape. It is upside down. The bow faces towards you, so the edge of the tape can rest on the measured surface. There is no gap you need to eliminate by bending or bowing the tape. The lines lay flat on your workpiece, and it makes it just a blast to use. It is very comparable to using a steer ruler, but with adjustable length. A simple meter stick looks so thick in comparison. Draw straight lines without a problem. Let it rest on your sheet good and it will stay upright. Mark on the edge and let the body hang off of a cliff. It will still stay stable, not like a flimsy, generic measuring tape. As I said, it feels like using a metal ruler, but it's adjustable. I work with a lot of sheet goods, and using my Festool tracks, I like to measure from the back as the rubber splinter guard is not as consistent in size after a few cuts. A metal ruler just glides under it. The tip of my measuring tape seems to be the perfect match. It butts up against any corner. Without it, it can feel if there is a step I don't need a hook that gets deformed easily and has to rattle around to accommodate for its thickness. They just wear down quickly, and if you drop it, the tip flips up and you won't damage it. I know, most of you won't fancy it, but for some, this might be a tool they'll never go without it after 1 week of testing it. And I am one of those guys. Now I got a second one as a spare. As everything needs a place, it now lives above my old one. Oh, I almost forgot the close-up. 3 meter length, accuracy class 2, made by BMI, CE stamp, made in 2021, some random numbers, stainless. And here in comparison, my 2015 version.